Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present to you about water treatment at Negeri Sembilan. So this is our group member.
Water treatment is the process of cleaning raw water from sources as rivers, lakes and underground water before it supplies to consumers. So this process is important to remove dirt, bacteria, chemicals and other harmful substances to ensure the water is safe for drinking and use. Water treatment also plays an important role in protecting public health and maintaining a sustainable water supply for the community.
Today I will explain to you about the geographical context and maps of the Moi water treatment plant. This water treatment plant is located in Sembilan, Negeri Sembilan. It is one of the important plants that supplies treatment water to areas such as Sembilan, Nilai and Sembilan. Based on the map, the plant is located near its raw water source, mainly from the Moi Dam and nearby river catchment area. The strategic location makes it easier to collect and treat raw water before distributing it to consumer. The surrounding areas also consist of forests, hills and river systems, which helps support a stable and continuous water supply. In addition, the plant is connected to the main pipeline network for efficient water distribution. Overall, the geographical locations of the Moi water treatment plants is very suitable because it is close to water source and support the water supply in Negeri Sembilan.
So raw water sources are natural sources of water before it goes through the treatment process. So the main raw water sources used for water treatment such as like rivers, lakes, rivers and groundwaters. So firstly, rivers are the most common sources because they provide continuous water supply for daily use. However, river water may contain mud, bacteria and pollution, so it must be treated before being distributed. So secondly, lakes and reservoirs are important because they can store large amounts of water, especially during dry season. The water quality is usually more stable compared to rivers. So lastly, groundwater comes from underground sources such as wells. Groundwater is normally cleaner because it is naturally filtered by soil and rocks.
Now, I will explain the water treatment process. Raw water from rivers, dams or reservoirs must go through several stages before it becomes safe for public use. The first stage is screening, where light debris such as leaves and plastic waste are removed. Next is aeration, where oxygen is added to improve water quality and remove bad odors. After that, chemicals are added during coagulation and flocculation to combine small dirt particles into larger clumps. Then, in the sedimation stage, the heavy particles settle at the bottom of the tank. The water then passes through filtration to remove remaining impurities. Finally, disinfection is carried out using chlorine to kill harmful bacteria and viruses. Through the process, clean and safe water can be supplied to the community. Next, I will explain how the water treatment process contributes to sustainability. First, the process provides clean and safe water for the community. This is important for drinking, cooking, and daily activities. Second, water treatment helps reduce river pollution and protect aquatic life by removing harmful substances from raw water. Besides that, the process improves public health because harmful bacteria, virus, and microorganisms are removed during treatment. Water treatment also ensures a sustainable water supply for future generations through proper water management. Lastly, modern treatment plants use efficient technologies to reduce environmental impact and support environmental sustainability. In conclusion, the water treatment process is important not only for clean water supply but also for protecting the environment and public health.
Issue of clean water supply. First, water source pollution. Water pollution is caused by industrial waste, farming activities, and domestic sewage entering river and dam. This makes the water harder to treat and unsafe for use. Second is increasing water demand. The demand for clean water is increasing due to population growth, urbanization, and rapid development in the residential and industrial areas. Third, aging infrastructure. Old pipeline and poor maintenance can cause water leakage and water loss. With decision, system also affect water supply service. Fourth is climate change impact. Climate change can reduce water supply through drought and unpredictable rainfall, affecting water availability in river and reservoir. Challenges of clean water supply. First, high treatment cost. Clean water treatment is costly because populated water need more chemical and better treatment process to make it safe. Second, non-revenue water or NRW. Water is lost due to leaking pipe and pipe burst before it reaches consumer. Third is system capacity limitation. Some water treatment plants cannot provide enough water during high demand. especially in urban areas. Fourth is management and maintenance issue. Water supply system need regular monitoring and maintenance. Poor management can affect service quality and efficiency.
In conclusion, water treatment is very important to ensure clean and safe water for the community. The Ngoy water treatment plant plays a major role in supplying treatment water in areas such as Seremban, Nilai and Sendayan in Negeri Sembilan, through processes such as screening, coagulation, filtration and disinfection. Raw water can be treated safely before distribution. Besides that, sustainable water management is important to protect water resources for future generations. Therefore, continuous maintenance and improvement are needed to overcome challenges like pollution, increasing water demand, and aging infrastructure. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you everyone for watching.